The fact that you are here today can only mean one thing, that you are ready to heal your trauma. Yes, you will heal your own trauma, and it is going to be a long process. It won't happen overnight, it will take time and dedication. Anytime during the meditation, if you get overwhelmed by emotions or if it makes you uncomfortable, feel free to open your eyes and come out of the meditation. Every time we get hurt, our heart creates a shield around itself, and with every consecutive hurt, it creates one more shield. By and by, we become hard hearted and cynical. Today, we are going to begin the process of healing our heart. So sit back and find a comfortable position. Take off your specs, anything that is binding like a tight belt or a ring, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe in. Hold the breath and breathe out. Breathe out. One more time. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe in. Hold the breath and breathe out. Breathe out. Last time. Breathe in. Breathe in. Hold the breath and breathe out. Breathe out. Now bring your focus to your head. Relax your head, the bones, the skins, even the cells themselves, and place this part of your body in a deep state of relaxation. Bring your focus to your face. Relax all the facial muscles, your eyes, and the muscles around the eyes. Especially the jaw. We tend to clench the jaw when we are tensed, so relax your jaw deliberately. Place all these parts of your body in a deep state of relaxation, which will go on becoming deeper and deeper as we continue. Bring your focus onto your neck. Relax your neck. Relax all the bones, all the muscles, all the glands in this part of your body. Bring your focus onto your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. We carry the weight of the world on our shoulders, the weight of our guilt, the weight of our responsibilities. For a little while, put down this weight and relax your shoulders and feel the stress leaving your body. Bring your focus to your chest. Relax your chest wall and relax the organs inside your chest. Relax your heart, relax your lungs while allowing them to function normally. Bring your focus to your arms. Relax your upper arm, relax your elbows, relax your forearms, relax your wrists, relax your hands, relax your fingers, right up to the tips of your fingers, and place these parts of your body in a deep, deep state of relaxation. Bring your focus to your back. Relax your upper back, relax your lower back, relax your middle back, and place these parts of your body in a deep state of relaxation, which will go on becoming deeper and deeper as we continue. Bring your focus to your abdomen. Relax your abdominal wall. Relax all the organs inside your abdomen while allowing them to function normally. And place these parts of your body in a deep, deep state of relaxation, which will go on becoming deeper and deeper as we continue. Bring your focus to your waist. Relax your waist. Relax all the organs, all the bones, all the joints in this part of your body and place them in a deep state of relaxation, which will go on becoming deeper and deeper as we continue. Bring your focus onto your thighs. Relax your thighs. Relax the muscles in your thighs. Relax the bones. Relax the joints. And place these parts of your body in a deep state of relaxation, which will go on becoming deeper and deeper as we continue. Relax your knees, relax your shins, relax your calves, relax your ankles, relax your feet, relax your toes right up to the tips of your toes. And place all these parts of your body in a deep state of relaxation, which will go on becoming deeper and deeper as we continue. Now your whole body is completely relaxed. You are feeling so relaxed that your body feels heavy and you are unable to move it. Now gently pick up your right hand and put it on your heart. Today you are going to talk to your heart. Your heart has created several shields around itself, and it may not open up to you so easily. If it doesn't open up in the first meditation, you have to keep doing this meditation again and again till your heart opens up to you. Now talk to your heart as if it were a friend. Visualize your heart standing in front of you and ask your heart, what is it that has hurt you, that you have created a shield around yourself? Please talk to me. Please trust me. I am here for you and I love you. I am grateful for your being. Listen to what the heart tells you. Listen to the trauma that it relates. I am going to keep quiet for a few seconds and you listen to your heart tells you which trauma it is taking you to. Visualize it as if it is happening in front of you on a movie screen. The whole incident that happened. Do not attach yourself to this incident, just observe from far away. Do not get involved. Now visualize that it is raining upon this scene. It's raining heavily on this scene, and this whole incident is melting away. It is carried away into the mud, like muddy water. It's all melting away. It is all going away from your life and freeing you of all the hurt, all the pain, and all the trauma that it has caused you and that you have been carrying in your heart for all these years. Look at your heart and tell it, we are free of this trauma. It has gone from our lives forever. In case your heart does not share anything, that is fine too. Just show love and gratitude towards your heart. Promise your heart that you will be back again to show love, to show gratitude, and to share the pain and trauma. Now, we will come back from this meditation after sharing gratitude with your heart, after sharing gratitude with the universe for washing away the trauma that has been hurting you for years and years. Thank you for healing my trauma. Thank you for making me free from the pain that this trauma caused me. Thank you for freeing me. Feel the lightness, feel the freedom, and feel the joy of having healed one trauma. Now take a deep breath, breathe in, hold the breath, breathe out. One more time, breathe in, hold the breath, breathe out. One last time. Breathe in, hold the breath, breathe out. Now rub your hands together and make them warm and cover your eyes. You can do it one more time. Slowly open your eyes and come back to this room. I want to tell you, don't be disheartened if your heart does not share its pain with you. Just as you would not share your pain with somebody whom you met the first time, this is the first time that you have reached out to your heart, and it will take time for your heart to trust you. You have to build that trust. And that is why you keep doing this guided meditation till your heart shares its pain with you and both of you are together able to heal one trauma after another. This process may take time, but it is definitely worth it. You take care. I will see you in my next video.